Until now, you've only learned how to code while giving the input yourself. For example, you only know how to assign values to variables yourself. We haven't asked the user for anything. In this video, you learn how to take input from a user. The function that is used to do this is called the input function. It is another built-in function that Python has. It's very useful as it is the only function that lets you take input from the user. This makes it interactive. We're going to be using it a lot from here on out. The syntax for the input function is just input, open brackets, open quotation marks, and in the quotation marks, write the string you want to display. It's important to remember that you will always need to store the input that you take from the user in a variable. Here's an example of how to use the input function. Let's say I wanted to ask the user for their name and store it in a variable called name. So I would create a variable called name and I would say name is equal to input, open brackets, open quotation marks, enter your name. Now when I run this code, the string enter your name is printed to the console. Now, the user can actually type in their name. I'm going to type in my name, Talika, and click on enter. Now, the input that I got asked for, which is the string Talika, my name, will be stored in the variable name. Always remember to store the input in a variable, otherwise you won't be able to retrieve it. Now, to use the input, I could display the message, hi name. The name will be whatever name the user enters. I could write print hi plus name plus exclamation mark. If I try to run the code now, it asks me for my name. I enter my name, and then it displays the message, hi Talika, because Talika is what I entered as my name. Now I want you to write the same code and try this out by entering your name. Being able to take in user input and make the program interactive is one of the coolest parts of coding.